Faceless videos like this have been going viral all across the internet on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc. And it's easier than you think it is to make these videos for free. Let me show you how. The first thing I want you to do is install this free Google Chrome extension. Now, full transparency, yes, I created this Chrome extension, but it is entirely free and aids immediately to how you can create these viral faceless videos. Let me show you. So when you have this Chrome extension installed, you can go to any one of these viral videos. And a quick hack here, when you click on shorts, if you just in the URL remove the word shorts with video, it's going to take you to the regular player of that video. So when you have that Chrome extension installed, all you need to do is click on transcript and summary there, and then click on view AI summary. What this is going to do is it's going to show you the full transcript of that video, a summary, and then key takeaways and bullet points and stuff. But for the sake of this, we're just going to copy this video transcript here, and then we're going to come over to a website called invideo.io. Now again, what I'm going to show you, you can do completely for free. Now while InVideo does have paid plans, you can get started using this strategy with $0, and you don't even need to enter a credit card for anything. Once you're signed in, all you need to do is select a workflow here. Let's do script to video, and you can paste that transcript in that you got from the Chrome extension. Now, if you're worried about copyright or anything like that, yes, customize it a little bit, edit the script, make it unique. I just wanted to show you this for the sake of ease of access. Don't steal other people's work, don't infringe on their copyright, customize it a little bit. You can select the gender of the voice that you want. You can choose the style of the accent of their voice. You can choose any background music here that you want. Let's put dark and mysterious. Then just click continue. And so here it's going to enter a prompt, create a video using this exact script. However, I want to show you how you can customize it even more to get that viral style. So what you're going to do is below the create a video using this script, you're going to enter these following prompts. Make the video vertical aspect ratio for TikTok. Add subtitles. Make the transitions smooth and fun. And then all you need to do is click on generate video and watch this. In just a couple of minutes, you're going to get a viral ready faceless video that's ready for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, any other platform that you want to show it on. Check this out.
Egyptians wore very few clothes. Children and poor people often wore nothing. Egyptians ate bread, but it was so rough that it wore away their teeth. There were bakeries in Egypt in 2000 BC. They drank a type of beer made from barley. Bread was added to barley and water and left to brew. The liquid had to be strained before it could be drunk, and it probably looked more like soup. The Egyptians made the world's first known sweets as early as 1600 BC.
You can even enter a prompt below it if you're not perfectly happy with how the video looks. Like delete the second scene, it's not relevant. Make the scene half as long, it's too wordy. Change the current stock video. You can even say change the aspect ratio from vertical back to horizontal. Increase the script. Anything that you can creatively think about, you can do within this tool. You're in a golden opportunity right now where these videos are going viral over and over and over again. You can leverage this audience to make money and drive leads and sales. I hope this was helpful. I have the link to both of these tools in the description of this video. And if there's anything else I can help you with, let me know in the comments. I have more videos right here to learn about more useful AI websites.